black and white. Tell me, what do you see?
Blue and red and yellow. Who will you be?
Use your imagination. Come take a ride inside the color wheel.
Blue and red and yellow. Which one will it be?
What about black and white? Tell me, what do you see?
Blue and red and yellow. Who will you be?
Use your imagination. Come take a ride inside the color wheel.
Come take a ride. Come take a ride inside. Come take a ride inside the color wheel.
Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I've nothing around and then you don't. But all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love and only stole me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. But then I guess all roads lead to Rome. A full front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, down we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from alone. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet. The way you attract these small disasters like a magnet. I don't know if you are from outer space, but I can tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race. Because I knew when we hit and crashed, my crazy love circus was here at last. This is romantic in a very funny way. I know our kind of love is the one made to stay, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is a boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from the lonely. The way that you talk, the way that you move, you make fun of me while I make fun of you. But we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love. Oh, oh, a different kind of love. A different kind of love. A different kind of love. Lost in the art of a foreign nation, in a shop to escape the rain, not to have a conversation. And that's the moment you step in to find some shelter too. Don't get a word you're saying by girl. Her eyes are red and new, 'cause I don't know what her lips are saying. Don't get a word ever heard. And just a small hello, so that we can say it doesn't sound like much, but it's enough to make me stay. It's just a small hello, but more than 1,000 words, 'cause it's a small hello that made my world flip and turn. And then the rain was speaking still, it started pouring. We just ignored the flood and laughed at the thunder roaring, 'cause the drumming of the rain cannot compare with two heartbeats speeding like a train at 3,000 feet and 'cause I don't know what your lips are saying. Don't get a word, but it's the most beautiful thing I've ever heard. And just a small hello, that's all that we can say. It doesn't sound like much, but it's enough to make me stay. Just a small hello, worth more than 1,000 words, 'cause it's a small hello that made my world flip and turn.
Look up to
crashing up to me. My toes slip into the sand. Dream that I'm with you, staring out into the sea.
With me,
Waves come crashing up to me.
sorry,
My toes slip into
smile,
the sand.
smile,
Dream that I'm with you. Staring out into the sea.
with me,
Waves come crashing up to me.
sorry,
My toes slip into
smile,
the sand.
smile,
Dream that I'm with you. Dream that I'm with you. Dream that I'm with you. You. You.
Blue and red and yellow, which one will it be?
What about black and white? Tell me, what do you see?